Hey, it's Caroline. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you my updated Monolid makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started, y'all. I'm filling in my brows with my pencil from Anastasia. Next, I'm using my tinted moisturizer from Nars. I'm just patting this right on my face. Alright, time for eyes. I'm using this Aura Dew eyeshadow. It gives you such a nice smooth texture to work with, and it gives your eyes a really pretty subtle glow. Next, I'm going in with, oh snap, from my TooFaced palette. Sorry. Okay, so I'm basically just putting this in the outer corners of my eyes, and then I'm just going in towards my inner corner. And for a subtle touch of color, I'm going to take hot toddy and just spread that around in the center of my lid. Next, I'm using this creamy brown liner from Decay. I'm pretty much using this like eyeliner, so I know a lot of us want to put black eyeliner all the way up above the lid, but trust me, try this in brown and it'll have the same effect but a lot softer. I also like to use this liner to prep for my darker eyeshadows. Now I'm patting on my dark brown eyeshadow. Again, I like to use dark brown instead of black. It just makes for a softer look, which is what I'm going for today. Just making sure to smudge that out and get rid of any hard lines. Then I'm going in with my liquid liner. I'm just following the natural curve of my eye. I'm just going with the flow, which allows my eyes to look longer. Now I'm brightening up my eyes a little bit with my jumbo pencil from NYX. I only want this on my inner corners. If I get it everywhere, it won't have the same effect. Now I'm ready to curl my lashes. Now I'm applying my favorite waterproof mascara. Always go with waterproof if you have monolid eyes. Making sure to coat all of my lashes here. And lashes are done. Whew, okay, hard part is over, y'all. Let's get into our face. I'm using my Nars concealer in Custard, and I'm just putting this on with my hands because I no longer use sponges. And I'm just gonna set that with my setting powder from Mercier. Time for a quick swipe of my bronzer from Tarte. Now I'm going to apply my blush. I love this color. It's super natural and just gives you kind of a glowy, flushed look. If you've got a longer face like I do, really make sure you get that on the apples of your cheeks. Now it's time to highlight the high points of our face. Getting that on my cheekbones as well as my nose and my cupid's bow. Last but not least, we are going in with chapstick on our lips. Then I'm using this really gorgeous brownish reddish color from Bite. I got it as a sample. It's really good and it's lasted me a long time because I literally just tap it on my lips. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like or subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!